The Phantom Strike Z4 represents a revolutionary analytical framework that fundamentally changes how we approach cryptocurrency trading. Unlike simple indicators that look at just one aspect of the market, Z4 operates through 6 independent detection systems that analyze distinct market dimensions simultaneously. Think of it like having 6 expert traders all working together, each one specializing in different aspects. Automated parameter adjustment, market condition filtering, phantom strike pattern detection, smart resistance exit management, order block identification, and volatility-aware risk management. But instead of conflicting opinions, Z4 processes all this information through a multi-component scoring calculation that only generates signals when everything aligns perfectly. This isn't just another indicator combination. The system employs modular design principles where each analytical component functions independently while contributing to unified decision-making protocols. What makes this truly special is that it approaches market analysis differently from static trading approaches by implementing real-time parameter adjustment based on time frame characteristics, market volatility conditions, news event detection, and weekend gap analysis. During low volatility periods, where traditional strategies struggle to generate meaningful returns, Z4's adaptive systems identify micro-opportunities through formation, analysis, and systematic patience protocols. System 1, Auto Time Frame Optimization Module, ATOM, the first system addresses a critical problem that most traders face. Standard strategies use fixed parameters regardless of time frame characteristics. This leads to over-optimization on specific time frames and reduced effectiveness when market conditions change between different time intervals. The ATOM system solves this through systematic parameter matrices developed specifically for each time frame environment. Charts balance signal quality with execution frequency. The 15-minute configuration provides the optimal combination of signal characteristics and practical execution for most retail traders. System 2, Market Condition Filtering System, MCFS, traditional volatility filters use simple ATR calculations that can't distinguish between trending volatility and chaotic noise. The MCFS addresses this through multi-dimensional market analysis that examines volatility characteristics, external market influences, and temporal factors. The system classifies market conditions into 5 categories: extreme volatility over 2.5x average ATR when volatility exceeds 250% of recent averages. The system recognizes potentially chaotic conditions during major news events or market crashes. Position sizing automatically reduces by 70%, while exit sensitivity increases by 50%. HIGH volatility, 1.8 to 2.5x average, these conditions often represent strong trending environments with elevated activity that maintains predictability. Position sizing reduces by 40%, while maintaining standard signal generation. Normal volatility, 1.2 to 1.8x average, this represents favorable trading conditions, where technical analysis provides reliable signals and market behavior follows predictable patterns. All strategy parameters operate at standard settings. Low volatility, 0.8 to 1.2x average. These environments present opportunities for increased position sizing due to reduced risk. Position sizing increases by 30%, while profit targets extend to capture larger movements. Dead volatility below 0.8x average. When volatility falls this low, the system suspends trading activity to avoid choppy, directionless conditions that produce unfavorable risk-adjusted returns. System 3, Phantom Strike Detection Engine, PSDE. This is the brain behind entries. Traditional momentum indicators lag market reversals by 2 to 4 bars and generate signals during consolidation periods. The PSDE requires simultaneous confirmation across 4 independent momentum systems: Supertrend Directional Analysis, MACD Histogram Acceleration, Parabolic SAR Momentum Validation, and CCI Buffer Zone Detection. The system operates in 2 modes. Enhanced mode activates when at least 3 of the 4 primary indicators align with directional bias while meeting minimum validation criteria. This provides more frequent signals suitable for active trading. Phantom mode requires complete alignment. Across all 4 indicators, plus additional momentum validation, all enhanced mode criteria must be met, plus additional confirmation requirements. System 4, Smart Resistance Exit Grid. Static take-profit levels don't account for changing market conditions and momentum strength. The senior exit grid operates through continuous evaluation of position viability rather than predetermined price targets. It works through a structured 4-stage priority hierarchy. First priority goes to standard take-profit processing. Second priority is smart exit when TP isn't executed. Third priority handles stop-loss, emergency, and timeout exits. And fourth priority manages smart, low logic. As a separate safety safeguard, the system employs fast danger scoring that evaluates immediate threats including SAR distance deterioration, momentum reversals, extreme CCI readings, volatility spikes, and price action intensity. When combined scores exceed 8.0 danger with less than 2.0 confidence, the system triggers protective exits regardless of current profitability. System 5, Order Block Tracking System. Standard support and resistance levels are static and don't account for institutional order flow patterns. The OBTS creates dynamic order block identification using pivot point analysis with parallel channel projection based on mathematical price geometry rather than drawing static horizontal lines. The system calculates slope relationships between consecutive pivot points and projects future support and resistance levels based on mathematical progression. This approach recognizes that institutional order flow follows geometric patterns that can be mathematically modeled and projected forward. System 6, Volatility-Aware. Risk management. Fixed percentage risk management doesn't adapt optimally. During varying market volatility regimes, the VARM provides systematic risk scaling through dual-mode architecture, offering both ATR-based dynamic adjustment and fixed percentage modes. Dynamic mode automatically scales all TP and SL levels based on current market volatility while maintaining proportional risk-reward relationships. Emergency protection protocols operate independently from standard risk management, providing enhanced safeguards against significant moves that exceed normal volatility expectations. Add the Phantom Strike Z4 to your TradingView chart. Click on the Indicators button at the top of your chart. Then navigate to the Invite-Only Script section. This is crucial because Z4 is an exclusive indicator. Here you'll see the Phantom Strike Z4 indicator by apexlegion. This exclusivity ensures that only serious traders who understand the system's complexity have access. Once you've been granted access, and it appears in your Invite-Only section, simply click on it and the indicator will load straight onto your chart. The system will immediately begin analyzing your current time frame and market conditions. Technical formation analysis. The foundation of Z4's analytical framework rests on a structured EMA system utilizing 8, 21, and 50-period exponential moving averages that create formation structure analysis. This differs from simple crossover signals by evaluating market geometry and momentum alignment. The Recon Scout EMA uses an 8-period calculation, providing immediate price action response and early momentum detection. The Technical Support EMA, at 21 periods, creates medium-term trend reference, while the Command Base EMA, at 50 periods, provides strategic context for overall market direction. Formation gap analysis calculates the percentage separation between Recon Scout and Technical Support EMAs to determine market state classification. When gap percentage falls below the stealth mode threshold of 1.5%, the market enters consolidation phase, requiring enhanced patience. When gap exceeds the strike-ready threshold of 1.5%, conditions become favorable for momentum-based entries during stealth mode periods. The strategy reduces entry frequency while maintaining monitoring protocols. Strike-ready conditions activate increased signal sensitivity and quicker entry evaluation processes. This mathematical approach provides structured measurement of market transition states. Supertrend calculation provides the directional foundation through volatility-adjusted bands that adapt to current market conditions. The system employs a 10-period ATR length with a 3.0 multiplier to create dynamic support and resistance levels. The HL2 methodology using high plus low to provide stable price reference compared to closing prices alone, reducing sensitivity to intraday price spikes. ATR multiplication creates bands that expand during volatile periods and contract during consolidation. The key feature requires rising or falling trend confirmation over multiple periods rather than simple price above band validation. This screens signals during supertrend whipsaw periods common in sideways markets. MACD histogram acceleration system MACD analysis focuses exclusively on histogram acceleration rather than traditional line crossovers, providing earlier momentum detection. This approach recognizes that histogram acceleration may precede price acceleration by 1 to 2 bars. The system requires positive histogram values that increase over 2 consecutive periods to identify genuine momentum expansion rather than temporary fluctuations. The default 12/26 EMA combination provides balance between responsiveness and stability. Parabolic SAR validation framework. Parabolic SAR provides momentum validation through price separation analysis and inflection detection. The system requires minimum 0.5% separation to screen marginal directional changes that may reverse within 1 to 3 bars. SAR inflection identification examines rate of change over 5 period lookback periods to detect momentum direction changes before they appear in price action. These inflection points may precede significant price reversals by 1 to 2 bars. CCI Smart Buffer Zone System. The CCI Smart System combines ALMA preprocessing, TANH normalization, and dynamic buffer zone analysis. ALMA preprocessing provides phase-neutral smoothing that reduces high-frequency noise while preserving essential momentum information. TANH normalization creates bounded output from -100 to 100 that prevents extreme readings from distorting analysis. While maintaining sensitivity to normal market conditions, dynamic buffer zones adapt to current market volatility through ALMA-calculated true range measurements, each controlling specific aspects of market analysis and position management. Understanding these parameter relationships enables customization for different trading styles and market conditions. Tactical HUD Interpretation Guide. The Tactical HUD display provides real-time analysis through 21 distinct data points organized into 7 logical categories. This converts complex market analysis into actionable insights for informed decisions. Mission Control section, rows 1-5. Mission status shows long mission, short mission, or standby with appropriate color coding. Long mission indicates active bullish position with systematic monitoring engaged. Short mission, active bearish position management. Standby mode shows no active position with systems scanning for opportunities. Auto TF Market Filters displays the current configuration like Auto OFF, showing the time frame is automatically detected, but market filters are currently off. 6. Shows Balanced, indicating the standard sensitivity configuration. PS mode displays Phantom, showing the core signal generation engine is set to its highest quality mode. PS Confirms shows real-time alignment status like Supertrend, MACD, SAR, CCI, 1/4 indicating that only the SAR component is currently aligned with the trade direction. Performance section, rows 6 to 8. Mission ROI provides performance measurement, in this case showing -1.85%, which includes round-trip commission costs for actual profitability. Exit plus remaining displays progressive target management like TP2, 56% left, showing the second target was achieved with 56% of the position. Remaining entry signal shows signal strength assessment, like weighting 1.4 out of 10, indicating the system is waiting for a new high-quality signal. Market analysis section, rows 9 to 11. Major trend displays. Strategic direction like 1.9% bull, showing a slight upward trend. EMA formation shows structural assessment like bullish advance, indicating a positive alignment of the moving averages. Moment displays a composite momentum score with an assessment like 70.4 elevated. Technical analysis section, rows 12 to 14. Under CCI info, we see a reading of 35.6 with an up indicator. SAR info displays multi-component analysis like 1.37% bull moderate, showing the distance, strength, and direction. VWAP info shows institutional reference, like daily, $114,865.2479 $1.53%, indicating the current price premium to the volume-weighted average. System status section rows 15 to 17. TPSL system shows dynamic ATR, indicating the target management mode is adapting to volatility. TP sequence displays achievement tracking like 1, 2, 3 showing. The first 2 take-profit targets have been hit. Mission duration tracks time-based management. Here showing 1,291/50ths, indicating the position has been open for 1291 bars out of a maximum of 50, which is why its status is marked with an X risk and position management section, rows 18 to 20. Last exit shows the reason for the last partial or full exit, in this case, TP2. Fast danger score shows the immediate threat level. Here at a low 2.5 out of 10, holding confidence evaluates the position's viability, showing a solid 7 out of 10. Market environment section, row 21 volatility market status, displays the current market conditions, showing low normal status. The Phantom Strike Z4 represents a complete trading system combining 6 powerful analytical modules into unified decision-making. Its automatic timeframe adaptation, market condition filtering, and multi-component confirmation create structured trading approaches suitable for various market environments. The system's strength lies in its systematic approach to complex market analysis. Rather than relying on single indicators or simple combinations, Z4 processes multiple analytical dimensions simultaneously, generating signals only when comprehensive alignment exists. Key success factors include understanding the HUD information system, respecting the system's risk management protocols, and maintaining patience for high-quality setups. The progressive profit-taking approach, combined with adaptive risk management, provides structured methods for capitalizing on market opportunities while managing downside exposure. Remember that trading involves substantial risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Use appropriate position sizing, maintain risk management discipline, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. The Z4 system provides analytical structure and systematic approaches. But successful implementation requires understanding, patience, and proper risk management. Whether you choose enhanced mode for more frequent opportunities or phantom mode for selective high-quality signals, the system's adaptive capabilities and comprehensive analytical framework provide professional-grade tools for systematic market analysis and position management. That concludes our comprehensive exploration of the Phantom Strike Z for strategy. Thank you for your attention, and remember to trade responsibly with proper risk management at all times.